and show you demo of this tire inflator, tire air filling automatic machine. I bought it from Amazon, and this is all sides of the box. It's digital machine, digital tire inflator. And now as we unbox, first we get this power cable to recharge it, USB cat C cable, and here is the machine, and along with we get this user manual about how to use everything with it. And now I show you the main product. This is the machine you can use to fill air in your football, ball, tire, cycle tire, bike tire, every. Now first you see the demo from all sides of this machine. So you can look nearby, close up look of this machine, all sides. Its weight is around 900 gram, around, I think. And now I show you from here you can recharge this machine. Yeah, here USB, here you can recharge this machine. It came with the lithium battery, and in this back of the machine you can see different like tools, different nozzles to fill air in your tire, according bike, cycle, your any other like football, ball, volleyball, and anywhere. And now I show you the demo of the product, how to use. Just press here are all the main buttons of the product, how to use. Here is the light also, so flashlight, you just press it. Yeah, it on now. Now you will adjust your setting, like what like see, you can see it starts giving air from this. Now press for 2-3 seconds, it will off, and from here you will fill your air by this nozzle. And you can fix the extensions which already given here, different nozzles, and use according to your need. It's a good product and very handy and easy to use and carry, and useful because for your car, bike, it's good. And link in the description, and you can shop now on Amazon. And please share the video, hit the thumbs up and like and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.